Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. Today I'm going to demo you an autonomous AI agent built on top of LangChain and AgentQL. Using AgentQL, you can query the entire web in which is what is powered by large LLM models or anything that is driven by AI. Let's get started with the demo. Before I show you the demo, as always, if you find value in these demos, if you enjoy them, smash that like button. Have doubts, comment, want to learn, subscribe, want one-on-one training or consulting, email me. Let's start with the demo. Before I show you the demo, a quick note on what is AgentQL. AgentQL is a suite of tools for connecting your AI to the web, featuring a query language and parser for interacting with elements. Let me go ahead and show you the demo. I'm going here. So this is my code. I'm going to scrape a particular website, get intelligent data and tell them what exactly I need, and rest everything will be taken care by the AgentQL. Let's go ahead and configure that and run that. So I'm going to enable my agent and run my code. It may take 5 seconds, which is enough for you to hit like button on this video. All right, so the application is up. Let's go ahead into our browser, launch the Swagger endpoints, which is what is used as part of the fast API backend on Python. So I'm going to try it out. So I'm saying that I'm going to query for pricing plans, name and price. Now this way you can extract anything from your competitor for market intelligence or any query that you want to build. So I'm going to monday.com/pricing. There are different plans, different pricing, everything. And I need to extract or rather scrape this particular website. So you can go here, pass the string URL. Now see, I'm extracting pricing plans and name and price, execute. We will get back with the data extracted from that particular website. That's what AgentQL does for us. It will automatically extract the information that we need. All right, so it has extracted, you can see the post request. It has extracted the data of pricing plans, free, basic, standard, pro, and enterprise. So I did not specify what, I just said what I want. Rest everything AgentQL will intelligently figure it out based on an AI model, extract that particular information for you from any website. Again, please use this for legal purposes and compliance only. Don't use it for any wrong implementation or use cases. Using this, you can do much more, like extracting features, price. Let's say you are a banking or insurance company, you want to extract some details of competitor, you can easily do, and much more with AgentQL. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Let me quickly show you the code. So if you go to AgentQL, so here I'm passing the AgentQL API key. Then I'm using Playwright, which is yet another automation tool. From that, I'm using the scraping, and then I'm going to that page, extracting the data and getting that information. So AgentQL is a very powerful tool if you want to extract intelligent data from any website. So I hope you enjoyed this demo. Hit that like button. And as always, show me your love by subscribing, commenting. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next demo.